Thursday, July the 3rd, 2025, 12:30. Feels close to 85 to 90 degrees. Let's see what it is. 12:38. We're headed south on US 41. We just turned off of Main Street, Cartersville. $87 degrees. Going to 90, 92. Back down to about 70 tonight. In our test drive this morning of that 2023 van, we'll be doing the video on it, but in that test drive, we did not, in analyzing the gain versus pain ratio, we did not experience anything mystical, spiritual, environmental, emotional, or sexual that would convince us that we need to go in debt for $33,000. But we're going to evaluate over the weekend. The van was nice, it drove nice, it outrun this one like crazy. It's a 4.3 V6. I think that comes out to a 265 cubic inch displacement. 8-speed transmission. The largest contributing factor or positives are it would get us about 30% better gas mileage. And the warranty will be good for another 73,000 miles on the power, 77,000 miles on the powertrain, maybe 13,000 on the rest of the vehicle. So we should not have to turn any wrenches for quite a while. But the note is not something I want to experience. I haven't had a car note in over 20 years, and I'm just not ready for another one. Certainly not with insurance around $600 to $650 a month on Social Security. This YouTube channel would have to do an awful lot better. I mean, an awful lot better. Not just a little bit. So, y'all help convince me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Watch videos. There are over 3,400 videos. Over 100 playlists. All sorts of topics. Okay, in the plus column again, I'd be able to get out further. I'd be able to get much more varied and videos, much more interesting videos scattered around all over the country. So if y'all were to watch enough and share and like enough and get people to subscribe, it would work. If anyone were to just have a wild hair and make a channel donation. There have been several, and they are greatly appreciated. several new features coming online from YouTube, which we will be embarking on. So keep an eye on it. We're going to head right through Emerson. Hopefully we'll get a train. We're going to go down old 293, I think. I don't know, would 41 be more interesting? We'll go down 41 because we do want to pull in the Days Chevrolet parking lot and get a little video and pictures of those vans there. I haven't completely ruled out that van or getting another van, but I'm not going to. I'll be, checking out more this weekend. I'm going to look online, see if I can find maybe a one owner, by owner, that maybe would be cheaper. We've already arranged financing, so all I've got to do is call and tell the finance girl what I want to do and go by and pick up a check, sign paperwork. So just have to figure out the amount. It'd be nice if I had a huge surge in like, shares, memberships, watch hours, enough that would convince me that we can make these numbers work. That sure would be nice. But not in any way, shape, fashion, or form expecting that to happen. We will proceed as planned. We got gas here the other day, filled up at Love's. We've been 95 miles with our 10 cent a gallon discount. Being a Love's membership, we got it for $2.64. And since our gas gauge is extremely erratic, it'll go from full to empty, and it doesn't matter whether it's got a full tank or not. And it'll bounce back and forth. So we go by mileage. The tank holds 31 gallons. We have done our average MPG. We'll get anywhere from 11.8 to 14.5. We have settled on 12 as a good rate to gauge time to fill up. If we go 300 miles at 12 miles a gallon, that's 360 miles. And so we usually fill up somewhere around 280 to about 315. And our calculations bear it out. Our calculations are good. So that's the way we do it. We reset the odometer every time. If we had another van, we wouldn't have to do that. this video get uploaded? I don't know. I have my doubts. It's about 10:30 now. We're going to turn it off. If this one does get uploaded, it'll be separate. We'll add some other video to it, the back end of it. But we want to stop up here at Dave's Chevrolet and get another segment to go along with our test drive. So we'll turn this off now where we can get that segment. We got a little chipmunk. That's a little bitty rascal. That's a new one. Little rascal running up the curb. Didn't look like he could jump up the curb. You better get out of the street. He won't be a new one very long. He'll be a flat chipmunk. He'll be a flat chipmunk. I tell you what, let's do. Let's go up here. Or have we already missed our opportunity? Turn left on Boulevard or Monroe. It'd be Boulevard, wouldn't it? And then go over and hit either Memorial Drive or Decatur Street. Maybe Memorial Drive. And then we'll go out and catch 29 as it crosses, as it hits north side, which I think will be 29 going south. Okay, this is where we're going to turn Boulevard here. We're going to turn left, no turn on red. We're going to turn left and go over to Memorial Drive. Okay, I've mashed the wrong button to get it started on the Osmo Action 3. Sunday, 27th April 2025, 9:15. About 15 minutes away from the origination place of the Flint River. Off of 29. We're in East Point. The East Point police were back there. Freedom Parkway. US 29 South, Georgia 139, Georgia 14. We ought to get a train video. We got plenty of time, 9:20. We plan on being out 2 or 3 days, but we've already got 4 or 5 videos uploaded. East Point's a pretty little town. Conley Drive. Okay, 29. We gotta watch the signs. What we got to do here? Recenter. What do we gotta do? Okay, we gotta go left. 29. Follow 29. The origin, where the Flint River originates, is right off of 29. I hope it'll have a sign, and it may be paved over. It may not come out of the ground until it gets to the other side of the airport. Said, I think it was Wikipedia said that one of the Atlanta airport runways is paved over. get the right, drop over to the right-hand lane. Yeah, so this will be an East Point video as well. East Point, US 29 South.
Continue for 5 miles.
I need to get in the left-hand lane so that it won't be so rough with these drains. We filled up with gas at the Quick Trip in Jefferson on US 129 this morning at 297.9. It's 309 here. Virginia Avenue. It's talking about Virginia Avenue being right there at the